Hello, I'm Andrew Flushy. If you're charged with aggressive driving in Virginia, you need to understand what you're charged with. It's a misdemeanor. It could be a Class 1 or a Class 2 misdemeanor depending upon the exact allegation against you. Essentially, the statute, which is 46.2-868.1, essentially it says that anyone who commits a variety of about 9 different traffic violations while there's something else going on, they're guilty of aggressive driving. Now, that other piece of the puzzle, in addition to a traffic violation, is that you have to either be a hazard to another person or you have to be doing the violation with the intent to harass or intimidate someone else. So that's where the aggressive part comes in. Now, the key thing is that it actually is kind of a complicated statute with those different pieces. It's a little more complicated than your average traffic violation, and it is a misdemeanor. So it's sometimes the officers actually can end up mischarging an offense where it actually might not be aggressive driving. Maybe it's just a traffic violation, maybe it more properly fits into reckless driving. So due to that issue, sometimes the charges can be beaten if it's charged under the incorrect statute, because you just simply may not be guilty of the statute for aggressive driving. But importantly, you really need to talk with an attorney because it is a misdemeanor. Whether or not it's a Class 1 or a Class 2 misdemeanor, you're still facing the possibility of jail time along with a fine. And you wouldn't normally get actual jail time depending on the facts of your case and your prior record, but it is a possibility. And so you definitely want to talk with an attorney to see, how real jail time is in your case, if it actually might happen, and if there's a way to try to get the case either beaten completely or dismissed due to driving school, or maybe just reduced to a lesser offense like a traffic violation, to where it would be less points and you wouldn't be convicted of a misdemeanor. So just simply understand what aggressive driving is and talk to an attorney to help you understand how that relates to your case.